There's been some debate as to how to resurrect silver solder paste. Now I do it with water. This is an old tube of easy flow silver solder paste, and you can see it's granular, it's dried, it's horrible. It's kind of, it isn't a paste anymore. It's as I say, it's pretty horrible. If I lift that up, you might be able to see how horrible it is. What I do is I use a little bit of water to get it usable again, and basically I can get it back to a paste. It's probably easier to get a bit of water on a paintbrush to do it, but you can get it back to a paste. It isn't as good a paste as it originally was, but nonetheless it does go back to a usable paste, rather like mortar, actually, brick mortar, like that. And when it's like that, you can apply it. Now what I'll do is I'll just using a scriber really isn't the most intelligent thing to do, but this is simply a demonstration that it can be used. This is simply 2 bits of nickel silver. Just wet that for the moment. Of course I'm using far too much. This is simply to prove the point, nothing more. I wonder if I can zoom in without losing things. No, I can't particularly. It's not letting me, so bear with me. So let us sorry, this torch has just been filled and it's a bit aggressive. So let us, I just want to prove that we can get a joint with it. There we go, and that, whoops daisy, and that's gone well and truly. That's flowed and that's taken. Let me quench that out, and I'll show you the result. Or let me just show you the result anyway. Let me. You can see that's taken. It's gone right through, so the flux has worked. That would clean up nicely. There's far too much silver solder on there, but it works absolutely fine. You can reconstitute it, and water seems to be absolutely fine as far as that's concerned. Perfectly usable. Yeah, nothing wrong with that at all.